Ever wondered how astronauts keep their clothes clean in space? Imagine you're on a space mission, floating around in zero gravity, and suddenly you spill space juice on your spacesuit. Uh-oh. Now, what do? Well, astronauts don't bother with laundry in space. Instead, they have a unique way of dealing with their dirty clothes. Astronauts don't wash their clothes. Instead, they wear the same clothes for about a month, and then throw them away. They typically replace their clothes when they start to smell. Astronauts use a special chute to send their dirty clothes into a cargo spacecraft, which then burns up in Earth's atmosphere upon re-entry. And here's the kicker. Fresh clothes are sent up on supply missions. It's like intergalactic delivery service for clean undies. So next time you see a falling star, remember that it could also be a bag of dirty clothes. Keep watching to uncover more cosmic scenarios and space mysteries.